June 19th, 2026. This is Claudette Hepburn,
Hello.
the great-granddaughter of Claudette Colbert and the great-granddaughter of Katharine Hepburn. I just gave her a sketch I did in London on, it's a little messy here, 2nd February 2009. And we have
awesome.
a visitation and a postage stamp from Her Majesty the late Queen.
Love it.
A British Royal Mail sticker there. We have some visiting, I forget what they are.
From Sesame Street?
Sesame Street, yeah. To Claudette Colbert, June 19, 2026. Oh, so this was a snow-covered bronze that was outside the National Gallery in London, England.
I am absolutely honored to receive this from the great artist Akiva. And
we need another full minute or else it's going to end up in shorts and YouTube. Can you sing a song or something?
Sing a song. Let's see.
I don't remember how the British national anthem goes.
Yeah, I don't either. I know it's like God Save the Queen, and
now it'd be God Save the Queen, the King, King Charles.
Yeah, that was pretty.
And you may not know this, but I've recently realized that God, G-O-D, stands for Gefilte, omnipresent deity. Gefilte fish.
Really? I
which
did not
is like
know that.
a Jewish cuisine.
I did not know that at all.
And Lord, which, thing of Christianity, is the lutefisk, omnificent, radiant deity. I'm going to do a big drawing of the two of them facing each other.
Yeah. And I also love when you gave Christian like the check, and you it's like pay to the order.
I gave him a linoleum block print after he helped me with my computer one day.
Yeah. I love that. Yeah, that's
great. Okay, well, great to see you.
Thank you, and I will be back again. I am leaving for work, but we will do another session. And here is my prize drawing that I love.
Thank you much.
Yes. Mwah.